Hey there, and how are you today? My name is Carla. I'm an adult doll collector, and you're in my hangout. And today we are in, well, our new bedroom. And this is going to be a very short video. It's just going to be a very, very fast DIY. And it's going to be really easy. Because this room, the walls are pretty, but they need something. So I was thinking that I would like to put some pictures up. So I picked up these canvases at Walmart in their artist section. They're, very inexpensive. And then the same book that I used for this paper, I went through to use for pictures for the wall. So I'm going to cut some pictures from these for this wall. That way it would still be coordinated. So what I've done is I found like this one is going to be a larger picture because it's a larger pattern. And I've just drawn a square around the one I'm going to cut out. So let's do that. Now I'm using like this pattern because it's too big for me to use like in a doll room or a whole wall. It's just a little bit too big, but it's perfect for a large picture. Right, so there's the first one cut out. Now let me get this out. There we go. And before I put the picture on, I also have some washi tape. You might have noticed that I have a bunch of washi tape actually, so I'm going to put some of this around the edge of the frame. I'll also do it sooner rather than later. I'm just going to start at, this will probably be the bottom. Of course, washi tape is not as tapey as some tapes. What's tapey? I guess tapey for me means it doesn't stick as well as one would wish for. However, it does well enough. And it is a very useful little thing, honestly. And I'm grateful to those of you out in the doll community that used this and showed others how useful it is. I don't remember the first place that I saw it, but it has definitely been a few places. And there we go. Now I'm going to put this on. Handy dandy glue stick. I'm just going to kind of messily put on the glue, as you can tell. And then I'll put this on, and I'm aware that my pen outline is showing, but I can trim that away. Yes, I can trim it away. Handy dandy X-Acto knife. Right, and here's the first picture ready. And I thought I'd put it up, like maybe there, I guess. Yeah. Let's do another one. So this time I have this pattern. And I decided this part right in here would make a really nice, well, picture, right? Go. And again with the washi tape. I like using it because it's a nice, fast, an easy way of decorating a frame. without having to do a bunch of other cutting and trimming. You know, for me, it suits me. Although I've seen some really pretty frames other people have made, for sure. I really admire the work that's out there, craftsmanship. But there we go. Here's my frame. There's handy dandy glue stick again. La 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 la. Sorry, I always sing to you guys. You deserve better than that. And let's see, put this on here. And I'll be right back while I trim away the edges. Right, here's the next one. Simple, right? And then we have this one, and I selected this kind of tree scene right here. So let's cut that out. All right, let me try to cut it. There we go. Oh, save myself some trouble. What do you know? I might actually think ahead on this one. Let's see. Inside of the line. Let's try that. By Jove, I think I've got it. And of course, the other frame. And like I said, this is just a fast way of getting some coordinated pictures in your house, because I like some coordination. I know I also do videos where there is a mishmash of things, which I'm also, and then this also has a mishmash because this pillow really does not match, and neither do these. But you know what? If this was my room and I saw these, I'd still have them in here anyway because I would still like them. So, not perfectly coordinated. But this seemed like my eyes seem to need, though, to have the pictures match with this, because I think this is just, I love this paper. I think it's just beautiful. I have a thing, I mean, I don't own birds, but I think birds are beautiful, though. I can't have birds because, I mean, they would be just, you know, short-living cat snacks in this house. And guess what I forgot to do? I forgot to do the washi tape first. That's okay. We'll do it after. No harm, no foul. I don't think so anyway. Here we go. All right, so we now have 3 pictures. They're different, but they are coordinated. Be right back. I told you this would be fast. This is the end of the video. So I used tacky stuff, whatever that, you know, that tacky tape stuff to put them up. That way they're not permanent. So I put the big one over there, and then I put the other ones over here and hung a plant, you know, and it's pretty simple. I realize that, but I kind of like it simple, but I really love this room, to be honest. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I would happily sleep in this room. So I appreciate you stopping by while we got to do a very quick DIY to make some coordinated pictures for a doll bedroom using the little canvases from Walmart and crafting paper from a crafting book. That was it. So now if you like this video, please hit like, If you're a subscriber, thank you very much for being a subscriber. And if you're not a subscriber, well, what are you waiting for? I have a subscribe button. It's red. It says subscribe. It's on this side. All you have to do is just boop. And there you are. Now you're a subscriber. And I love my subscribers. My subscribers are the best people in the whole wide world. I know I keep saying it, but it keeps remaining true. I'm not going to lie to you, folks. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you take the time to comment, I will take the time to answer. I really love hearing from you guys. It makes me very happy to see comments from you, to be honest. Sharing is caring. Go ahead and share this video with someone. Hey, here's a real easy way that you probably have the stuff right on hand to do it yourself. And I'm sure a lot of people have already thought of this, and so I'm not reinventing the wheel or even inventing the wheel. I just made all I did was make a wheel. So there, yeah. But there's 3 pretty wheels. So it's gonna have to be a tricycle. Yeah, right? Yeah, I think so. Okay, anyway, on with it. I'm gonna let you guys go now, though. I hope no matter what time of day it is for you, whether it's morning, noon, or night, I do hope it's fantastic, because you deserve fantastic things. And I'm really out of here now. You guys have a great day, and goodbye.